Hey guys, doing and welcome to another Arc Garage video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix squeaky suspension on your Alfa Romeo. Now this method will work on most Alfa Romeo models. The parts might be different, but the trouble spots and method is going to stay the same. There are basically two trouble spots when it comes to suspension noise. The first one is going to be the upper wishbone, so that's where I'm going to start. I'm gonna remove this 17mm nut. Keep in mind that it's always a good idea to leave it on to protect the thread. I'm gonna knock the wishbone out, and I'm gonna remove this cable from this metal mount. Now I'm gonna undo the sway bar link, and I'm gonna push it out. Now I'm gonna undo this long screw. It's 19mm. I'm gonna hold it on the other side with the wrench. Next I'm gonna remove the brake line from its mount, and I'm gonna push the wishbone out. There are 4 more 17mm nuts on top. I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna remove the washers as well. Now on the last one, I'm gonna keep the shock assembly with my other hand, and I'm gonna let it down slowly. Now I'm gonna push the shock assembly and the lower control arm down as much as possible to get as much room as I can. Alright, I'm gonna push this top piece up, and I'm gonna wiggle it out. There it is. The two threads from the shock basically go through these two holes. Alright, this probably sounds familiar. The problem is in these rubber bushings, which get dried out, so I'm gonna have to remove the upper wishbone to get to them. I'm gonna use my big flathead screwdriver to get these bushings out. Now you can put a bit of tape on the end of them so you don't damage the rubber. I'm gonna knock the metal piece out. Here it is. Now this rubber, when new, comes full of grease. Now you can see there is none whatsoever. Alright, I'm gonna lubricate these parts. Now keep in mind that you can't use just any grease because most of the stuff will break down rubber. Now this thing that I'm using is intended just for this purpose, but silicone grease will work just as well. I'm gonna put the metal piece back in, and I'm gonna knock it in with the hammer. Although this rubber doesn't have any movement from the outside, I'm gonna put some grease on it just to protect it. I'm just gonna push it in using my hands. And there it is. Now I gotta do this one more time, and I'm done with this side. I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna put some grease on this long screw as well. I'm gonna put the washer back on, and I'm gonna wipe the excess grease off. Since I'm reusing the old nut, I'm gonna put some thread glue just in case. Alright, let's check out the end result. You can see that there is no sound coming from it whatsoever. Now here's a better look. You can see the metal piece basically stays in place, and rubber bushing spins around it. Now I'm just gonna tighten it, and I'm gonna put it back in. As I said in the beginning, there are two trouble spots. This is the second one, the bushings for the sway bar. Now, since they are very hard to disassemble, I'm just gonna spray them with the lubricant, which is not gonna degrade the rubber. Now, the best practice would be to do this from time to time. And there you go, the suspension on my Alfa Romeo 147 works perfectly and does not produce any sound whatsoever. Now, as I said in the beginning, this method can be used on many Alfa Romeo models. The only difference is gonna be the assembly of the parts. Now, just to recap it, the trouble spots in most models are gonna be the upper wishbones and the bushings for the sway bar. Anyway, that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of history.